know if I did a video on this one already, but I'll do it anyway. I'll do a double. Found it at KOBALT mini toolbox. I did a previous review in their video, so I'll spare you the details of opening it. But just so you know, they're pretty cool. We bought them jewelry boxes. If you look way in the back over here, I think that's it. Yeah, there's one like a boat anchor right here. See, it's sitting there in a pile. Why is it in the pile? Because I just put it there. And like I said, the chop is moving over there, so I'm not cleaning the place up. And I'll explain that in my weekly What's New video soon. So here, we also got this. This is I don't know where I got this from. Rags. I think I should keep this in here in case I want to sleep in the garage. I got a nice pillow. No.
How are you gonna sleep? Are you gonna sleep like this?
Maybe. Wait, hold on. Let me try. Okay.
Put your arms close.
Wait, hold on. I gotta get that on film. Oh, here we go. How's that? Makes a good pillow.
It's good.
I mean, honestly, this thing's probably the softest pillow. Right?
Can I try it?
Pretty soft.
Okay, yeah.
I bought the rags, but the thing I don't like about these, see, because I usually buy these kind, the actual cotton ones, because they have, these I find like, they're like see-through. I don't know if you can see through them, but I can see you through it. They're see-through. They're the cheapest freaking things in the world. This is just, I guess, a bunch of bleached rags from the side of the world. What are you doing? I'm gonna watch this video there. So you're going in the back. Anyway, I bought some rags, and I think that was it for. So you put this.
Oh my God! What's this?
It's a sticker. So anyway, that's it for this minute video. 2-minute video. Getting lots of watch time off of 2-minute videos, right? So anyway, if you like my channel, like whatever, go watch some videos.
Yeah.
I need watch time. We're a little short on watch time. You monetized. We have enough videos and enough. I'm sure there's something for every tool head out there. And we will be keep making more videos. We have a video every Monday. Monday, what's new? It's Tuesdays, a tool time Tuesday, so you'll see all the Vice Grip videos that I get in there. 52 videos a year, guaranteed on Tuesday. 52 years videos every Monday, what's new. And I've been trying to put out at least a Thursday, Friday, or Saturday video. Mostly Friday and Saturday, sometimes Thursday. If I have enough content, I probably will have enough content. Excuse me. So, with that said, and if you're new here, we like doing stuff. I like making things. Last week I made a scraper out of a frying pan, just for the fun of it. That video is coming. I like, old tools. We have all sorts of vice grips available. So, yeah, like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I don't want to forget to comment. Comment. There we go.